May bagong chill spot sa Alfonso, Cavite na pwede kang maglaro ng billiards, sabayan pa ng nagsasarapang foodies, at kung trip mo naman ng quiet time or intimate events for small groups, no worries, may space sila for us. Kaya naman, saan tayo today? Hey Wanderers! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Q Street, located sa Matagbak 2, Alfonso, Cavite. Kilala rin bilang Putol. So few steps away lang to from the covered court. Pagpasok mo pa lang, bubungad na agad ang kanilang 3 billiard tables. So for the go na ang tropa, perfect pang banding at pang chill to. Yung rate nila is nasa 100 pesos per hour, pero dahil December may promo sila, 50 pesos lang per hour. Kaya tag mo na sa comments kung sino ang gusto mong magyaya at makalaro dito. May mga tables and chairs din sila sa side, kaya after maglaro, food trip naman. So let's get to know more about Q Street.
Q Street po, so billiards talaga yung main namin na gusto pong i-build na business. Dito sa area ng Matagbak, nakita naming advantage that we can add is yung billiards, which also offers food. In terms of food offering, mainly of our food is nasa snacks side. So we have our beef wrap. So we also have ham and cheese pizza roll. And hopefully we can get to have like more flavors of our pizza roll. And then just recently we added our patty melt. So it's also parang for those na gustong ng burger pero ayaw ng bread. So patty melt is really the best for you. That's also heavy, so that's good to have na din. And then apart from other snacks that we have, we also offer burgers. So currently we already have 5 flavors of our burgers. So it's just ranging 110 to 150 for our burger. So we have chicken burger. Second is we have the mushroom burger. Third, we have the classic cheese. We also have the bacon barbecue burger, and the 150 pesos worth is our Aloha burger. And then apart from burgers and other snacks, we also offer, of course, rice meals para sa mga gustong dinner. We offer silog. So we currently have tap silog, to silog, bang silog, and long silog. And then other rice meals that we have chicken wings. So it's 2 flavors, garlic parmesan and buffalo. And ayun, sa mga gusto ng mga habang naglalaro, we also have sizzling food. So we have sizzling pork sisig, chicken sisig, hotdog, and tofu. For those people who want to play and dine at the same time, so Q Street is the best spot for you. And if you want to make tambay din with friends, we have an outdoor space sa labas that can also be private for you and your friends. And yeah, we're open every Tuesdays to Sunday, so from 4 p.m. to 12 midnight. And for those naman na gustong just stay at home and to still eat, parang may mga cravings kayo, late night cravings, we also deliver around Alfonso until 12 midnight.
Ayan, kung gusto niyo ng intimate celebration, small group hangouts, or kahit quiet time para mag-relax, meron din sila dito sa likod ng Q Street. Pwede pa kayong magpaset ng bonfire, camping vibes talaga. Sobrang lamig nga dito, tapos yung ambience, perfect pang distress at pang unwind. For food trip and cravings, ito ang must order sa Q Street. Kung tapos na nga maglaro ang tropa, naku, try nyo na tong sizzling pork sisig at chicken wings nila. Serving pa lang ay pang tropahan na talaga. Malambot at bite-sized ang tapa ng kanilang tapsilog. If ang craving mo naman ay pasta, must order itong kanilang Italian spaghetti. Juicy na may sweet savory cake ang kanilang Aloha burger. Sulit for only 150 pesos. Kung heavy snacks naman, panalo tong kanilang wraps na busog ka agad. Siksik, hindi tinipid sa ingredients at may masarap na dip ang kanilang ham and cheese pizza roll, patty melt, at itong kanilang beef wrap. Ang Q Street nga ay perfect pang after work hangout, night chill, at weekend bonding. So kung hanap nyo ay chill hangout, masayang laro, masarap na pagkain, at relaxing vibes, Q Street na yan! Save this spot, tag your tropa, and plan your visit now. Alam nyo na! See you here, Wanderers!
Si Cherry Wonders, ito tara na, kain na. Mahilig gumala, cafe at kainan pa. Ayan, travel, food trip, budget friendly. today? Oh, fine. Alam nyo na